Hey everyone, this video will be short and sweet. So today I want to show you how to embed a Pinterest pin onto your blog post. So if you have a blog post like this and you want to embed a pin that looks just like this, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, this is of course a great way to get people to save your pins and also to get your pins to go viral. So if you want a Pinterest pin saved onto your blog post just like this, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. So let's jump right in. Here I am inside of WordPress. I've been creating quite a few WordPress videos and will continue to create some more, but I use WordPress as a platform to, of course, run my blog. So one of the first things that you're going to want to do is go find a blog post. So I'm going to find a blog post to use for an example. And I think I'm going to use one that I have here. Obviously, I've got quite a few, but I've been putting up some pins on certain ones. So I'm going to use this one right here. You can go and find a blog post that you want to embed some pins on. And the first thing that you want to do when you have that post open is you want to find a spot that you can put your pin. So just going to keep scrolling here. I'm going to find an area where I can put my pin at. So I think I will put it right here after it says MLM business. So that's a good spot to use. I'll put it right there. And so the next thing that you need to do is, of course, you need to go and get a pin. You need to have your Pinterest account open. So let's head over to Pinterest right now. So here we are on Pinterest homepage. And the first thing you need to do is to log into your account. Once you log into your account, then we will look at a pin that we can use to embed. Okay, so now the first thing we're going to do is find a pin. But before I get started, I want to let you know that I am using the Pinterest business account. And because my blog is mainly for business and I'm using it to drive traffic to my blog, then I created a Pinterest business account. Now, if you don't have one and you are, mainly promoting your business, then I suggest that you do get a Pinterest business account because there's just a lot of perks to it. So if you don't know how to create it, I did create a video showing you how to create a Pinterest business account. So if you don't have one and you want one, then make sure that you go check that out. All right, so let's go find a pin. You will see right up here in the right hand corner, this is kind of like a profile picture. If you put one up, then this is what you should see. So click on that. Once you click on that, then you can scroll down, and if you've got some pins already, this is what you should see. So you need to have some pins already live on your Pinterest page. And so I'm just going to choose one of these right here for an example. Now, once I've gotten this open, what you will see is these three dots right here. So the pin that you have live already that you've posted or pinned, you should see it right here. Click on these three dots right here. And then when you scroll down, you will see Get Pin Embed Code. That's what we want. So go ahead and click on that. Now you see these different sizes, small, medium, large, and extra large. This will determine how big your pin is. Of course, if you want it small, you can use small, medium, or whatever. I'm going to use large in this case so that you can see what that looks like. And you need to copy this embed code. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to click, you can do paste or whatever, copy and paste. Then we're going to click got it. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to go back to WordPress so that we can embed these codes. So let's head back over to WordPress. Okay, so remember where I said I was going to put that cursor, which is right here behind MLM Business? Well, that cursor, of course, needs to go here because I want that pin to be after MLM Business. The next thing that we need to do is we need to paste that pin. Well, we're not going to put it here. It has to go where we have all of the coding. So up here at the right hand corner, you have visual and then you have text. So it's going to be in the text section that we are going to embed the code. So let's click on text. Now here is the cursor right down here in this area where it says specifically for MLM Business. This is where I want to embed my code. So I'm going to just click space And then I am going to do Control V. You can do, the copy and paste method. And I'm going to paste the code right here where it landed. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to copy it. Now you can see right here where it says specifically for MLM business. This is where I wanted it. And this is the code right here. So what I want to do next is I want it to go to the next line because I want it to be by itself. I'm just going to click enter. So now as you can see, it actually jumped to the next line. So this is it right here. It may be a little bit difficult to find, but I'm always looking for this text that says specifically for MLM business. So now this is where my Pinterest pin will be right afterwards on the next line. So let's go and check that out. So I'm going to go back over here to visual. This is what I see. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to move this around a little bit since this looks a little bit more strange, and I'm just going to put my cursor here. I'm going to hit enter, and this is how it should look. And sometimes that happens. You might just have to change things around. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit enter so that I can get more space here, and this is how your Pinterest pin will look. This is how it looks right here, sitting in the exact spot that I wanted it. It's got this whole save button here. I'm going to click the update button, and now I'm going to show you how it would look on my blog. Let's head right over to that. I wanted to save that. And I'm going to go up here where it says Mailbox Money Blog. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to open the link in a new tab. So you see the tab came up. Okay, so now I am going to show you where that's at. I'm going to go to the last page. That is my offer again. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to show you exactly where it is at now. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you where the Pinterest pin landed. This is how it would look to viewers who are landing on my blog. And there it is. So the Pinterest pin sits right there exactly where I wanted it. I'm looking for the word specifically right here. And that's how I know it's in the right place. Let's say someone landed on your blog and they wanted to save this pin. Then it would be very easy for them to do. All they would have to do is go ahead and click on this, and if their Pinterest account is open, then they would easily be able to do it. Now I cannot do it because it says that you have already saved this pin to your network marketing tips, which I know I have, but I'm using this as an example. But obviously if you were someone that just landed on my blog post, then you would be able to save it. So that is how that works. And you see right here, I have my WordPress open. So if I did this without being logged into WordPress, then this would pop up all the time. And so this is how it looks. This is the Pinterest pin. You have to go and get that embed code, as you can see right down here at the bottom as well, that you can click on this. So you can click on this and actually go to the blog post. But I'm inside of the blog post, so it's not really going to work that well. This is how you can drive traffic, just get more traffic in general to your blog post. This is, for one, this is how you can get people to save your pins, and this is how you can get them to go viral, because of course you're already on your blog because people will see it. This is how that goes. Now let's go back to the edit page that I'm in, and I'm going to scroll down so that we can take a look at that one more time. And there it is, and it has the save button. Guys, that is it. That is how you save this Pinterest pin onto a blog post. Now if you like this video, then make sure that you check out my other video, how to create Pinterest pins using Canva, because I love Canva. Canva is a free graphic design tool. I take tons of images, putting them in Canva, and just design a whole bunch of things for my business. So if you like Canva, then you can check out some other videos that I have on Canva on this channel. And lastly, guys, if you want to get more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and come back for more future episodes. All right, everyone. I will see you next time on the next video.